Hello everyone, my name is John. Today, I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new leads from TikTok to Pipedrive. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from TikTok to other systems. For example, in Pipedrive you can add new contacts and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the data source system, TikTok. Now select the system where you want to transfer new leads from TikTok. In this case, select Pipedrive, create contacts. At this stage you need to connect your TikTok account to the Save My Leads service. In this window you must specify the login and password of your TikTok personal account. At this stage you need to give Save My Leads access to work with your TikTok account. All access checkboxes must be enabled. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, you need to select an advertising page and form. After that, click Continue. At this stage, we need to connect the Pipedrive account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you need to specify the domain and API key. To get this data, go to your Pipedrive personal account. Copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. To get the API key, go to the Profile settings. Now go to the API tab. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the necessary fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list, select it. At this stage, you see the Pipedrive fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from TikTok to these fields. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with the preset fields, you can leave them unchanged. After that, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Pipedrive in the form of new contacts for each new lead from TikTok. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back one step. To check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Pipedrive. After successful sending, go to Pipedrive and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from TikTok to be instantly sent to Pipedrive as new contacts, you need to enable auto update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.